The search for outstanding volunteers highlight the unsung heroes who help build hope, change lives, and empower our nation.
Well, volunteering is important because we are Filipinos. Kasi naniniwala talaga ako na nasa dugo talaga natin ang pag-volunteer. Bayanihan,
Sabi nila, pagka raw napagod ka, you go to recreation. This is my recreation. That's how I feel. If you want to help your country, you fill up a niche that isn't filled up yet.
Ang pagbobolontaryo sa bayan ay isang obligasyon. Hindi siya option, kundi obligasyon mo to bilang Pilipino at bilang isang mamamayan dito sa community natin.
Yung joy ko, dito ko nakikita kasi yung kasiyahan na tumulong na magpasaya ng tao. God gave us talent, use them to inspire others.
You get your rewards from smiles of children, of parents, of people that you have helped from their despair by giving them hope. And these things are treasures that I think no amount of money can replace.
Imagine what good we can all accomplish for our nation, for our countrymen, if we all work concertedly towards achieving sustainable millennium goals.
The greatest contribution we can make in this selfless world of public service is not the things, time, and effort we have shared with the serviced communities, but the inspiration we instill in others.
Huwag kayong mapapagod, huwag kayong susuko. Because I believe that our lifetime is not enough in helping people. Hindi sapat ang buhay natin. So what we should do in the Volunteerism Award, continuously contaminate other people to do things that we do. Marami pong mababait na tao who would also do things that we are doing.
Let us recognize the efforts and dedication of our volunteers. Join the search for outstanding volunteers. For more details, email us at info@pnvsca.gov.ph or visit www.pnvsca.gov.ph.